Street light, or light pole, is a raised source of light on the road. Many lamps have light-sensitive photocells that activate the lamp automatically at times when there is little or no ambient light, such as at dusk, dawn, or at the onset of dark weather conditions. In this video, we will learn to make an automatic street light. This is the connection diagram of our project. We have connected the positive terminal of the yellow LED with pin number 11, and negative terminal with the ground pin of Arduino. LDR module has 3 wires. Connect the red wire with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin A0 of Arduino. A0 is used to read the analog output. This is the code of this project. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once. As soon as the program starts running, in this project, we will give high or low signals to the LED connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Analog read A0. This function will read the analog voltage of pin A0. If its value is greater than 800, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, and LED will turn off. It shows that there is sufficient daylight. If its value is less than 800, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11, and LED will turn on. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. Connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor with the LDR. Now connect a yellow wire at the joint of LDR and resistor. Connect a black wire with another end of the resistor. Connect a red wire with another end of the LDR. Now cover the joints with insulation tape. We will take a 5-volt yellow LED. We will solder a red wire at its positive terminal, and black wire at its negative terminal. Now we will pass the wires through a straw. Connect the yellow wire of LDR with pin A0, red wire with the 5-volt pin, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now connect the red wire of yellow LED with pin number 11, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. During the daytime, when daylight falls on the LDR, then street light will turn off. In the evening, when no light falls on the LDR, the street light will glow up. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.